I've had clients actually tell me after the first deposition prep, this was better than the 3 years of therapy I've had, right? It's actually a question. I was interviewing a paralegal a couple of months ago, and a very smart girl. She had just graduated from Iowa like 2 years ago, a psychology major, and she's been great. But that was a question she asked me. How do you deal with that kind of secondhand trauma? And I thought, I don't know. I never thought about it before, frankly. And as I thought about it, I think one of the things is that our relationship with our clients is very therapeutic for our clients, right? It's an ability for them to get their story out and really speak to somebody for the first time about what they've gone through and open up emotionally. And I've had clients actually tell me after the first deposition prep, this was better than the 3 years of therapy I've had, right? And I think when you recognize that you're providing the service to someone and you see the benefit that it's giving them, not only potentially winning the case, but emotionally throughout it, I think it's not only healing to them, I think it's somewhat healing to us, right? Because you're providing that service to them, and we're not taking on the grief, right? It's really them releasing some of it, right? And the other thing that's very helpful is that part of what we do is getting our clients to focus their grief, their anger in the right direction, because what happens for all of our clients, they play the what if game, right? And getting them to focus their anger, right, and those frustrations in the right direction, that these were systemic failures, that there was nothing they could have done, that they were kept in the dark, seeing that change in them and empowering them and shedding that grief themselves, I think that's the actual thing that lets at least me do this and not leave jaded or bitter or taking on some kind of emotional trauma upon myself, because I think it has a very therapeutic aspect to it. But overall, I think it's the service that we're providing. It's the therapeutic benefit to the client. It's how you see them change. You get in front of a jury, and if you can get that victory, seeing that is the ultimate relief for them, right? That grief is gone, right? Because it's the community actually saying to them, this wasn't your fault, right? You did the right thing. You didn't do this. It was them over there. That ultimately getting to that. So it's a process.